Hi there, it's great to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. Our goal is to hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. They are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Now, let's begin slowly, step by step. Let me ask you something. How many times have you listened to someone speaking English and you felt lost? You want to understand, but the words fly by so quickly. Your heart races and you feel anxious. Don't worry, you are not alone in this. Many learners face this challenge every day. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to help you improve your English listening skills step by step. We'll learn 20 daily phrases that you can use and practice in your life. By the end of this video, you'll not only know these phrases, but also feel more confident listening to English in real conversations. If you're excited to learn with us, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have many more lessons to help you on your journey. Let's get started with our first step. Step 1. Train your ears. The first step in learning new phrases is to train your ears. This means actively listening to English speakers. Try tuning in to English podcasts, songs, or news broadcasts. This will help you become familiar with the sounds and rhythms of the language. Step 2. Choose your phrases. We will focus on 20 common phrases that can be used in daily conversations. Here are some examples. 1. How are you? A common greeting to ask about someone's well-being. 2. Thank you. A polite way to express gratitude. 3. Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention or to politely interrupt. 4. I'm sorry. An apology for a mistake or misunderstanding. 5. Can you help me? A helpful phrase when you need assistance. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Now, let's dive into shadowing practice. Shadowing means you'll repeat what you hear right after you hear it. This helps you with pronunciation and rhythm. Let's practice the first phrase. Repeat after me. How are you? Step 4. Break it down. Let's break down the phrases. Understanding each part helps with memorization. For example, thank you is simple. Thank is the action of showing gratitude, and you refers to the person you are thanking. Step 5. Use context. Next, use these phrases in context. When someone asks, how are you? You can respond with, I'm good, thank you. Using phrases together makes them easier to remember. Step 6. Practice in a sentence. Let's put some phrases into sentences to help you remember. For example, excuse me, can you tell me where the bus station is? I'm sorry I'm late, there was traffic. Using phrases in complete sentences gives you more practice and helps you feel comfortable using them. Step 7. Repeat and repeat. Repetition is key. The more you repeat these phrases, the easier they will become. Take a few minutes every day to practice speaking them out loud. For instance, say, can you help me? 5 times. You can even record yourself to listen and improve. Step 8. Create flashcards. Flashcards are a fantastic tool for practice. Write each phrase on one side and its meaning on the other. Review these flashcards daily. You can quiz yourself or ask a friend to help. This makes learning more interactive and fun. Step 9. Engage with others. Try to engage with English speakers whenever you can. You can practice these phrases with friends, family, or online language exchange partners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking helps you learn, and most people appreciate your effort. Step 10. Use technology. Utilize language learning apps that have listening and speaking exercises. Many apps focus on daily phrases and have audio recordings. Listening to native speakers will help improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Step 11. Observe native speakers. Watch videos or shows in English and pay close attention to how phrases are used. Notice the intonation and facial expressions of the speakers. This will help you understand the feelings behind the words. Repeat phrases as you hear them. Step 12. Keep a practice journal. Start a journal where you write down the phrases you learn. Note how and when you may use them. This gives you a reference and helps reinforce your memory. Whenever you learn something new, write it down. Step 13. Set weekly goals. Give yourself goals. Choose 5 phrases to learn each week. At the end of the week, review them and test yourself. Setting small, achievable goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Step 14. Try daily conversations. Incorporate these phrases into your daily conversations. For example, when you meet someone, ask, "How are you?" When someone helps you, remember to say, "Thank you." The more you use language, the better you will. Feel. Step 15. Listen and imitate. This is a fun exercise. Listen to short clips of conversations and try to imitate the speakers. Focus on their pronunciation, stress, and rhythm. Choose a phrase and mimic it. The more you practice, the more natural it will sound. Step 16. Use different scenarios. Think of different scenarios where you can use these phrases. For instance, say "excuse me" in a store when you want to ask for help. Imagine you're at a cafe and say, "Thank you," after receiving your order. Practicing in various contexts can deepen your understanding. Step 17. Reflect on your progress. Take a moment each week to reflect on what you've learned. Think about how far you've come and what phrases you've started using in your daily life. Celebrating small milestones keeps you motivated. Step 18. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Don't be hard on yourself if it doesn't happen overnight. Everyone learns at their own pace. Patience is an important part of this journey. Remember, every practice session is a step toward your goal. Step 19. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with supportive people. Share your learning experience with friends and family. Let them know your goals. Their encouragement can be very motivating as you practice your English. Step 20. Stay curious and keep exploring. Finally, keep your curiosity alive. Explore new phrases, new types of media, and new people to practice with. The more you learn, the more exciting your English journey will be. Remember to enjoy the process. Now that we've covered these 20 daily phrases, let's recap them quickly. 1. How are you? 2. Thank you. 3. Excuse me. 4. I'm sorry. 5. Can you help me? 6. What's your name? 7. Nice to meet you. 8. I understand. 9. I don't understand. 10. Could you repeat that? 11. What time is it? 12. See you later. 13. Have a great day. 14. I'd like this one. 15. What's the price? 16. That sounds good. 17. Do you speak English? 18. I need a doctor. 19. Where is the bathroom? 20. Where is the bathroom? Great job repeating those. Now, take these phrases and practice using them in your everyday conversations. As we finish today's lesson, remember that every small effort you make counts. Speaking and understanding English takes practice, and you are doing fantastic. Celebrate your progress and don't hesitate to make mistakes. They are part of learning. Keep practicing slowly and you will improve every day. Every time you use these phrases, you grow stronger in your English skills. You're on an exciting journey and I'm proud of your commitment. Keep going and enjoy the process of learning. As we close, remember that every practice session brings you one step closer to your goals. You are doing a great job by learning and using these phrases. Each day, as you listen and speak, you are making steady progress. Learning English is a journey that takes time and patience, so be kind to yourself along the way. Keep practicing slowly, and you will improve every day.